Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT-JEE NEET Foundations.
Hi friends, welcome to Monkey Physics. Today we are going to discuss about a small topic in mechanics. So, what is mechanics? It's a study about motion of objects, and this study about motion of objects again divided into two categories. Suppose we study the motion of the object without including cause of motion, without including cause of motion. And what could be this cause? This is nothing but force. And this category of study about motion of objects is called kinematics. And now in the second category, if we study the motion of the objects by including cause of motion, by including cause of motion, and this study is called dynamics. It's called dynamics, and this dynamics is also called Newton's laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion. So today, what's our main intention is, I told you already, we're going to discuss about a small topic, that is a subtopics in kinematics. First, let us know what are the topics in kinematics. What are the topics in kinematics? First, we're talking about location, and then distance, and then displacement. This is the first subtopic in kinematics we can call. And then we are talking about speed, average speed. Speed and average speed. Then velocity, average velocity, and instantaneous velocity. Of course, we define these definitions of all these things in detail, and I just mentioned here the names of the subtopics. And then coming back, the next one is acceleration. And finally, we are talking about graphical analysis. Graphical analysis. Yeah. So again, acceleration. While we are studying about the acceleration, the motion of the body, study about motion of the object based on acceleration. It can be having zero acceleration. It can have constant acceleration, and it can have variable acceleration. So based on the acceleration, we can study the motion of the body. Of course, it is also the part of the kinematics. Now our main intention is to focus on this location, distance, and displacement. This is what we are going to focus. Okay, thank you.